What does testing? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Hello. Welcome. Brothers, sisters, themsters, friendsters. It is time to go to war. It's a delight to be here. It truly is. I had to dress for the occasion just a little. So I hear there's a war on. It's time to see it through. Welcome one and all to my sponsored stream for War Thunder. This is gonna be quite an experience. I've never really played a full-on military simulator like this. Way back in the day, I did play a little tiny bit of Arma, but you know, that's a very different beast than what we're engaging in today. We are playing, I guess what some would call a military vehicle simulator. As I'm told, there are over 2,000 vehicles to play in this game, and that is kind of nuts to me. It has been in development since like 2010, 2011, something like that. I think it released in 2013, so actually it is, you know, they've had a while to grow, so it is a believable figure. I'll give it that. So yeah, let's get some other tunage going here real quick. I'm gonna play something a bit heavy that will get me in the mood for war. In fact, it's a song that, well, some people may recognize that I had an entire character based around. A little song called Asator. The name of my gladiator in AP Gaming Reel's Solaris Knights show. A Battletech TTRPG and RP show. But anyway, that's not what we're here for today. I'm playing Asator because it's also just about, well, they talk about war and thunder a lot in this song. I'll just give it that. Without further ado. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, silly me. Let's move on over here. It's time to get this shit open. It's going to the wrong device. Hold on a second. So yeah, it might be a little bit of getting used to the game for me, but let's just crank all these settings here. Actually, we don't need VSync, and Ultra HQ aircraft. That sounds fun, but I actually do not have the room for that, I don't think. All right, let's go. Let's do the simple one today. Oh, actually, I might have room for this one. I gotta clear a little room off screen. That's all right. Should only take a minute. Yeah, so my, oh yeah, one other thing I need to do. Yeah, allow access, that's fine, that's fine. Is get some music going from a different source because, I have, let's see. Well, my payment for YouTube Music has elapsed, so I don't want to torture anyone with ads tonight. However, I do actually fully legally own a little chunk of tunage over on a platform known as Bandcamp. So I'm actually going to pull that up right now. Is this it? I think I found it. I used to own a like an app, a desktop app version of Bandcamp. And struggling to find it now. Let me see if I can find it. Come on, tell me this is it. Sorry for the scuff here, folks. Shouldn't take too long for me to fix this little issue. See, I had to get a meal in before we started. And that takes a minute sometimes, you know? Okay. Who's trying to juggle a billion things at once here? What in the hell? What in the absolute hell?